Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Oracle Apex tutorial, I will show you how to create a sales by product report using a range chart. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create a chart, write the SQL query, configure chart attributes. So let's get started. First, open your Oracle Apex application. Go to create page and choose blank page. And page name is sales by product. Page number is in default, page mode normal, and breadcrumb, don't use breadcrumb on this page. Navigation menu here is Oracle Apex chart, create page. In page designer, right click content body and select create region and title minimum and maximum sales by product, and here type is chart, and here source location is local database and type will be SQL query. And this is the SQL query. Check the validation and OK. Now configure the chart. Open the attribute section, select here the range chart and maximum width is 500 and height will be 500. This chart will display the minimum and maximum quantity ordered for each product. Configure the series. Series name is products. Here source will be region source and label will be product name. Low minimum quantity and high is maximum quantity. Enable show label. So save the page and run the application. Open the reports menu and navigation to sales by product. You will see a range chart displaying the minimum and maximum sales quantity for each product. That's how you can create a professional range chart with drill down navigation in Oracle Apex. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Oracle Apex tutorial. Thank you guys.